Okay, so let's talk chapter one or week one, chapter one. And this week you will see that you have a discussion board. Once you select discussion board, you will see that this is a four-part discussion board. Before you become distraught over the part that it's a four-part discussion board, let's go through it together. The part one is to introduce yourself and share one new skill you've acquired this past year. It can be anything. You can learn how to hacky sack or whatever the case may be. Part two is just a chapter reflection, minimum of 5 to 7 sentences for each question. So each highlighted area is something that you have to respond to. Okay, so you're going to explain the holistic approach in child development and how it impacts young children. You are going to talk about the 15 must-haves for all child care programs and how does poverty affect children in education. And it is not an opinion. This is actually from the textbook. So make sure you read chapter one. Below are just simple instructions, including a direct quote, using critical thinking, all of that. Part three is a video commentary. You'll see the videos at the very bottom. So you'll just review one of the videos and you will identify topics or sources and why it kind of reaches out to you, why it truly touched you professionally or personally. Part four is you're going to respond to a minimum of 2 classmates. So there are the videos there. And then you can either move through using the next button. And then this is a syllabus acknowledgement quiz. There's 5 questions. You can move through that. Here is the Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems quiz. I would watch the Bronfenbrenner video on the page. And then here's just some tummy time guidelines and the importance of tummy time. So going back to modules so that we keep it straight for you. At that point, completing those 3 things, you are done with module 1, but you are not done with the sources or continuing education. So you are going to start reading chapter 3 at the end of week 1. Again, how to start. Here's the chapter per pages. And here is the chapter 1 Arizona DHS regulations and the Caring for Our Children standards. So just in case you wanted to have those materials as well. As you go back, you will have a video on lecturing for this course as well. Thank you so much.